What's something people don't know about Twitter? You can actually make money from it. Let me show you how. First up, grow your followers. More followers mean more potential customers. Share valuable content, engage with your audience, and be consistent. Next, think about affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It's a win-win. You can also offer services. Are you a consultant, graphic designer, or writer? Use Twitter to showcase your skills and attract clients. Don't forget sponsored tweets. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. With a decent following, you can get paid to tweet. Finally, create your own products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or merch, Twitter is a great platform to market your creations. So, ready to turn your Twitter into a money-making machine? Hit that subscribe button for more tips. See you in the next video.